Good morning, student. Now, the same chapter, differential equation. And differential equation, now is the last method of differential equation. Now, look here, student, differential equation can be solved by three methods. One is the variable separation method in exercise 9.4. Now, the second method is the homogeneous differential equation. This is very, very important method, right? It was the last class, now I have already discussed, right? But today, now is the last method, linear differential equation LDE. Exercise 9.6. First thing, what is the form of LDE? That is dy by dx. This is linear equation. That means dy by dx plus py equals to q. This is the form of LDE, linear differential equation. What is p is the coefficient of y. What is q is the right hand side. And now, this method is only depend on two formulas. One is IF. IF is a full name, integrating factor. And you know, student, integrating factor, that is the e raised to power integration of p dx. This is the first formula. What is the IF? That is integrating factor e raised to power integration of p dx. And now the second formula, this is the first formula. Now second is a general formula, y into if. Y into if equals to integration of q into if dx plus c. स्टूडेंट लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को अगर आपको सॉल्व करना है, राइट, लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन से किसी भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मेथड से अगर सॉल्व करना है, देन दिस देयर आर टू फार्मूलाज. वन इज द जनरल फार्मूला, सेकंड इज द IF. नाउ लुक हियर इज अ एक्सरसाइज 9.6 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, देन dy by dx plus 2y equals to sin x. Now this is linear differential equation. Student, first thing, now is the identify कि आपके सामने एग्जाम में लिखा हुआ आएगा any now given differential equation and solve. But which method? First thing is a variable separation method. अगर variable separate होते हैं, this sum of two terms, right? Variable separation is not possible. So variable separation method cancel. Homogeneous and linear differential equation in form of y upon x या x upon y form, then angle is only x, not a y upon x form या x upon y form. So only solve. This is the last method, linear differential equation. Linear differential equation के लिए first important thing is the coefficient of dy by dx is always positive 1. राइट नहीं है तो आप बोथ साइड डिवाइडिंग करके उसको 1 बनाइए. एंड नाउ सेकेंड थिंग, राइट, दिस इज लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, राइट. आप लिखोगे गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, given differential equation is linear differential equation, and then now is a form of linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equals to q. And now compare these two equations and now find p and q. What is p? P is coefficient of y is 2 and q is the right hand side, that is sin x. So first thing, now find p and q. And now second thing, now find IF integrating factor. कई बार 2 मार्क्स में 1 मार्क्स में आपको पूछा जाता है फाइंड द IF, राइट. 2020 में, राइट, फाइंड द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इन 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन 4. सो व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर? e raised to power integration of p dx. Then e raised to power integration p is 2. Then what is the integration of 2? 2 is a constant out of integration. Then integration of 1 is x. So this is IF. First thing, now find IF. And second thing, now apply general formula, right, of linear differential equation y into IF equals to integration of q into IF dx plus c. Now y as it is, what is IF? Then IF is e raised to power 2x equals to integration. What is q? Q is sin x, is the value of q is sin x. IF is e raised to power 2x dx plus c. This side, left side is as it is, but only integration of right hand side, right? Student, इसका इंटीग्रेशन आप तभी कर सकते हो जब आपको 7th चैप्टर इंटीग्रेशन आता है. And 7th chapter integration में, now this question when two different function in product form, then applied by parts. राइट. बट इस क्वेश्चन को हम सॉल्व करने के लिए y एज इट इज e रेज़ टू पावर 2x एज इट इज. नाउ दिस इज कैपिटल I, राइट, and plus c equation first, sorry, equation third, and now separately solve of this integration, right? Why? Since e की power 2x is exponential function and sin x is a trigonometric function. Two different function in product form, then apply by parts, and by parts now applied Euler rule when sin x is first and e raised to power x second. Euler rule, and now using by parts. You know, student, formula of by parts, then first function into integration of second function minus integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function and whole integration. Now repeat, first function into integration of second function minus integration differentiation of first into integration of second and then whole integration of this. So now look here, sin x as it is. What is the integration of e raised to power 2x, then e raised to power 2x upon 2 minus integration, what is the differentiation of sin x is minus cos, then minus minus plus cos, and now the integration of e raised to power 2x, e raised to power 2x upon 2. Apply substitution method, right? And now sin x as it is, e raised to power 2x as it is upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is a constant out of integration left cos x into e raised to power 2x. Now again two different function, again apply by parts, first and second, right, using Euler rule. Then e raised to power 2x as it is upon 2 as it is, sin x as it is, 1 by 2 as it is. Now what is the now apply by parts, first function into integration of second function. What is the integration of e raised to power 2x, then e raised to power 2x upon 2 minus integration differentiation of first, cos का differentiation is sin x, sorry, sin का differentiation is cos, right, and now integration of cos is minus sin, so minus minus plus sin into integration of second function e raised to power 2x integration e raised to power 2x upon 2. Then so this is e raised to power 2x upon 2 into sin x minus 1 by 4 e raised to power 2x into cos x minus 1 by 2 1 by 4 integration of sin x into e raised to power 2x. Then this is again two different function, but this value is, this is I. Now from equation 4, this is the value of I. So now then e raised to power 2x is common, upon 4 is LCM, then 2 sin x minus cos x and minus 1 by 4, this is the value of I from 4. So 1 by 4 I this side transfer, then I plus I by 4 equals to e raised to power 2x upon 4, then 2 sin x minus cos x as it is. And now 4 is LCM, then is a 4 is 1 5I upon 4 e raised to power 2x upon 4, 2 sin x minus cos x. Then 4 to 4 cancel. So what is the capital I? E raised to power 2x upon 5, then 2 sin x minus cos x. And now with the value of I, now substitute in equation third, then this is answer. So student, this is linear function, only difficult is integration, right? So student, NCERT में integration की 5 methods. First is a substitution method, second is trigonometric function, third is perfect square, fourth is partial, and fifth is by parts. So there are 5 methods are very very important. And now is a next question of solving by LD, linear differential equation. So student, linear differential equation, there are only two things. One thing is IF and second thing is general formula. So what is IF? IF is the integrating factor. An integrating factor, what is the integration factor? E raised to power p dx. Now question number 5th. This question is again important question than 5 to 6 time in board exam. So now cos square x dy by dx plus y equals to 10x. Now this is again differential equation, but first thing is a very important thing. Coefficient of dy by dx is always positive one. So now cos square dy by dx plus y equals to sin x. Then now dividing by cos square x on both the side. Then this side is dy by dx. Now 1 upon cos square is sec square x into y equals to tan x, and 1 upon cos square is sec square. Now this is linear differential equation, right? And now compare of dy by dx linear form, dy by dx plus py equals to q. And then now equate, and what is p and what is q? P is sec square x and q is tan x into sec square x. So first thing, now find p and q. What is p? Is a coefficient of y. And what is q? Right? That is tan x into sec square x. And now first thing is find if. So student, if, that means integrating factor. Now integrating factor, now e raised to power is the formula of e raised to power integration of p dx. Then e raised to power integration of p is a sec square x. And what is the integration of sec square x? Is tan x. Then e raised to power tan x, this is if, integrating factor. Now apply general formula, y into if equals to integration of q into if dx plus c. Y as it is, now if is e raised to power tan x and q is tan x into sec square x, and if is e raised to power tan x dx plus c. Now this side as it is, y into e power. But now solving of this integration, then there are three term in product form. Then apply integration first method, substitution method. Let power tan x is t. Why? Since differential of tan x is sec square x, dx equals to dt. That means is a sec square x, right, and dx is now in apply in dt. Now y into e raised to power tan x as it is. This side as it is, only solve this is right hand side. So now tan x is t, sec square x in dt, then e raised to power t dt. And now again two different term in product form, then apply by parts. This is first and this is second. Now using by parts. And you know student, by parts, that is the first function into integration of second function. What is the integration of e raised to power t? E raised to power t minus integration. Differential of first, differential of t is 1, and into integration of second, e raised to power t, integration e raised to power t. Then is t as it is, e raised to power t as it is minus. So now left e raised to power t. What is the integration of e raised to power t? Right, e raised to power t, right? And now this side is a y into e raised to power tan x as it is. Then so now y into e raised to power tan x as it is. Now after integration of substitute the value of t is tan x into e raised to power tan x minus e raised to power tan x. And now plus c, and now dividing by e raised to power tan x on both the side, then y equals to tan x minus 1 plus c into e raised to power minus tan x. This is answer. So now look here student, this is a general solution of this differential equation. This is linear differential equation. And linear differential equation, there are two things. One thing is if, and second thing is apply general formula, right? So please solve exercise 9.6. All questions are same procedure, same method, only in integration is difficult. right? So please solve exercise 9.6, 9th chapter completed. Any problem, please contact WhatsApp number. Thank you.